Hi everybody and welcome to Unit 4. I'm really excited to talk with you today about our individual project, which is worth 260 points. So let's talk more about this assignment. You are ideally using the sources that you found in your Unit 3 discussion board, and this week you are writing a short essay about the advantages and disadvantages of social media. Now, if you find that the sources that you used last week don't work, that's okay. Don't panic. Just find new sources. You'll want to use a minimum of at least 3 sources, 2 of which must come from the CTU library. And yes, all of them can come from the CTU library. Don't forget to use that really handy cite button in the library that we looked at last week to help you with your references list. Review the rubric, always helpful to look at. As you can see here, 260 points, a lot going on. But the big thing we're looking for here is an introductory paragraph. This will be around 5 sentences or so, and it is going to introduce your topic. Your thesis statement is 1 sentence that sums up exactly what your paper is about, and this will appear as the final sentence of your introduction. From there, you're going to have 3 to 4 body paragraphs, and you're going to incorporate those 3 articles into these paragraphs, really giving your reader, some evidence, some facts from your research that supports what you found about advantages and disadvantages of social media and whether it improves or damages communication. Your final paragraph is your conclusion paragraph, again around 5 sentences or so that wraps everything up. And then you'll have a references list. Now we have something really exciting for you this week, which is a template. Let's take a look at this. So you'll download this, and this is going to be a huge help. It's a Word document that's essentially already formatted for you. So you'll have your title, your name, and then it's already broken into the sections for you, which is fantastic. So you can type your introduction here. It says 3 to 5 sentences. Again, I always recommend aim for around 5 sentences for that introduction and around 5 to 7 sentences for your body paragraphs. So the general formatting is all done for you here. You'll place your source information for your 3 articles here. Use that cite button in the library. You'll have your source information all done for the references list. And then that just means you'll be incorporating the sources into your body with in-text citations. Now, to create an in-text citation, I'm just going to quickly give you some examples. All you need to do is find the author, last name, and the publication year. And you'll place that at the end of any quote or paraphrase with that information. So here's an example quote from a source. Then you'll just use the author, last name, and year, place that right at the end, and that's all you need to do for a citation. And since you'll have your source information already done for you thanks to the CTU library, creating those in-text citations will be quite easy. We're going to talk more about this in the live chat, so please check that out, attend live or watch the archive. We're going to do some practice with the in-text citations, and then, of course, let me know of any questions. All right, everybody, that's it. Questions, concerns, email me. This is a big project worth a lot of points. I recommend that you submit this to Smart Thinking Tutoring. A very rough draft, doesn't have to be perfect, just send over whatever you have. Try to have a rough draft maybe by Thursday or Friday, and then you can get some feedback returned from Smart Thinking. And let me know how I can help. All right, everybody, have a great week. Thank you.